Hello friends, today we will discuss how to keep kitchen great and clean on a daily basis. Number 1 is morning routine. Starting your day with a clean kitchen sets the tone for a productive and organized day. Incorporate these habits into your morning routines. Wipe down surfaces. Quickly wipe down kitchen surfaces including countertops, sinks and stove tops to remove any crumbs and spills. For this, use a gentle cleanser or a microfiber cloth to avoid scratching the surfaces. Sweep and mop. Sweep and mop the kitchen floor to remove any debris, dust, or dirt that may have accumulated overnight. Use a broom or dustpan to sweep the floor and a mop and gentle cleanser to clean the hard floors. Clean up any breakfast mess, including washing dishes, wiping down tables, and putting away appliances. Use a dishwasher to clean dishes and a gentle cleanser to wipe down tables and appliances. Number 3. Throughout the day. Maintaining a clean kitchen throughout the day requires discipline and habits. Incorporate these habits into your daily routine. Clean as you go. Clean as you go. Avoid clutter and mess. Wash dishes immediately after meals. Wipe down surfaces after cooking and put away appliances after use. Use a cleaning station with soap, water, and scrub brush to quickly clean up the messes. Use a one-touch rule when cleaning, where you clean the area once, maintain it throughout the day. For example, wipe down the sink after washing dishes and avoid leaving dirty dishes in the sink. Designate a landing strip near the entrance of the kitchen where family members can place their belongings such as keys, wallets, bags. Use a tray or basket to corral clutter and keep area organized. Number 3 is evening routine. Ending your day with a clean kitchen ensures a fresh start of the next day. Incorporate these habits into your evening routine. Deep clean high touch traffic areas such as sink, stove, and refrigerator to remove any touch stains. Use a gentle cleanser and a scrub brush to clean these areas. Next, wipe down appliances including the refrigerator, dishwasher, and stove to remove any spills. Take out the trash and recycling to keep your kitchen smelling fresh and clean. On number 4, we have weekly and monthly tasks. In addition to daily tasks, incorporate these weekly and monthly tasks to maintain a clean and organized kitchen. Clean the oven and stove to remove any food debris. Wipe down cabinets and drawers to remove any dust and dirt. Mop the kitchen floor to remove any dirt. Monthly task. Deep clean the refrigerator and freezer to remove any expired or spoiled food. Clean the dishwasher and washing machine to remove any grease. Organize kitchen cabinets and drawers to ensure any access to frequently used items. Next, there comes decluttering and organizing. A clean kitchen is not just about cleaning, but it is also about decluttering and organizing. Incorporate these habits to maintain clutter-free kitchen. Purge unnecessary items such as expired food, broken appliances, and unnecessary gadgets. Donate and recycle items those are still in good condition. Use storage container to store items such as food, cleaning supplies, and kitchen utensils. Label containers to ensure easy identification and access. Lastly, on number 6, we have additional tips to maintain a clean and organized kitchen. Clean up spills immediately to prevent them from becoming sticky, hard to clean, and messy. Use a zone cleaning approach where you clean one area of the kitchen at one time to maintain focus and efficiency. Make cleaning a family affair by assigning different tasks to each family member to maintain a sense of teamwork and responsibility. I hope you would have liked the video and subscribe the channel as well. Kindly share the video with your family and friends. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you so much.